welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ajda and I am a lover of all things luxury. I have a Parisian soul and a New York state of mind, and roots shaped by my upbringing in Milan and Paris during my formative years. So here you're going to find iconic classics, vintage gems, travel stories, and honest reviews, especially when it comes to handbags and those pieces that I believe are worth the splurge, especially if you're looking for timeless style, but with a modern twist. So if that is your kind of vibe, then I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and join our growing community. So following last week's birthday vlog, I thought it would be a good idea to share some of the new pieces. These items were birthday gifts and longtime wish list items that I finally checked off. I'm really excited to style these items in creative ways and just enjoy them for the rest of the year and beyond. Let's dive into it. We'll start with the dresses first. So this is my birthday dress. This is from Zimmermann. If you haven't seen the vlog from last week, my birthday vlog, I'm gonna link it here, one of these corners. But in short, we had a private shopping experience at Saks where I tried on close to 30 different dresses. They were all gorgeous, stunning. It was so much fun, so definitely check that vlog out. But we decided on 2 dresses, and this is the one that I wore out that day. And the other one I just received in the mail in my size. So I will show you both of them. I understand now, like, this brand's popularity. I've never had a Zimmermann dress before, so this is my first one. I absolutely love the color, this beautiful peach coppery color, and the design and shape. I mean, it is so beautiful. It is in a size 0 for Zimmermann. I don't know if Zimmermann sizing is a little different than typical clothing because I'm normally a US size 2 or 4, depending on the brand, just to kind of give you an idea on sizing. I will show you some mod shots as well, but it has gorgeous floral details. It has these gold threaded details that give it like a nice shimmer. This deep V cut in the front, I was a little bit nervous about it because I'm petite and I really don't have much like boobs, but it gives a modern and sexy like touch to what is a very romantic dress. So it actually is very flattering and very elegant in the front, which I really am very happy about. And these balloon sleeves are just, they're perfect. They're beautiful. They have like a really nice flow to it. In terms of fit and comfort, it is definitely, again, very flattering on a petite frame. It is so comfortable. It's very airy materials, so it's perfect for spring and summer months. You could wear it during the day with some flats or sandals casually, you know, brunch with the girls or just walking through the park or a day of shopping. Or you can wear it at night with heels. It's just perfect for both day and night, which makes it a very versatile piece. I definitely got a lot of compliments as I was walking down the street wearing this dress during the photo shoot that we had right after the shopping experience at Saks. This dress also really photographs so well. I'm gonna insert some pictures from the photo shoot that we had. It was just so dreamy. Like, I am so happy to have those pictures. It's a beautiful way to commemorate turning 40, and it's the gift that keeps on giving. So yeah, really happy to have those. Let me know what you think of the pictures and which one's your favorite. I had a really great photographer. I will leave her information down below as well if you're in New York and want some lifestyle shots as well. If you hadn't looked into Zimmermann before, check them out. So I will link all the pieces that I'm gonna be talking about today in the description below. Okay, so the next dress is from Prada. This is my first like high-end luxury designer dress, and it really caught my heart. I mean, this one and the Zimmermann dress were my 2 favorites of all the dresses that I tried on. Here she is. She is a gorgeous baby doll dress She's in the re-nylon fabric, which is very signature to Prada. You'll see she's got the logo plaque right here and this gorgeous cutout detail underneath. She does come with straps as well. I personally like the straps, so I think I'll be wearing her more with straps, but you have the option to also wear this dress strapless. I just love the very clean and minimal lines. I love that it has sort of like this sporty but luxe vibe as well. You can wear her with heels and statement jewelry for a fancy night out, or you can wear her more casually with sneakers or with flats or like flat sandals. And I also feel like you can wear her throughout the year. So not just for spring and summer, but you could also wear her in the fall and winter for the holiday season. You just pair her with some tights and you're good to go. You can add a blazer and a jacket to like layer things up a little bit. I think it's just a perfect blend of like something that's a little sexy, but also very like romantic and chic as well. So, and of course the material is built to last, so you don't have to worry about getting it wet. I sized up. The 36 that I tried on in Saks was definitely a little small. It wouldn't close and zip up all the way in the back, so I'm really glad that I found the 38. It came all the way from Vegas, which is funny because I was just in Vegas, but anyway. I will link to this below. I know that it has come and gone out of stock often. There are other dresses very similar to this from Prada that are also available. So I will link to this in case it comes back in stock, but also other very similar dresses in like the baby doll style with the re-nylon fabric, etc. Okay, so I'm gonna move over a bit because I realize I am losing the light a little bit. And for this next piece, I want you to be able to see it. This is a gorgeous necklace from Pomellato. They are based out of Milan, Italy. All of their jewelry is handcrafted, which the sales associate was telling me a lot of jewelry, like fine jewelry makers, don't do things by hand as much anymore, which surprised me, but that is something she said. Pomellato is part of the Kering group, which also has like Gucci, Saint Laurent, Bottega Veneta, etc. I really, really love this piece. This is rose quartz, which is also a symbol of love. It is 18 karat gold, and you can see right above the pendant are these gorgeous hand-set pave diamonds. It's such a unique and beautiful piece. It's called the Nudo Classic necklace, so it's from the Nudo collection. Nudo means nude, for any of those wondering. What I love is that this is perfect for everyday wear, but it is also a statement piece on its own. So you can wear it for special occasions. It can be layered with other pieces. So like for my birthday, for example, I actually layered it with another necklace, like a kind of a double layered necklace that together they looked really pretty, especially since that other one had a little bit more of like a pink gold to it. And I just find that this stone goes really well with a lot of different skin tones. Like it has a subtle but very like romantic look to it. Again, I'm clearly in my romantic era right now. So as you can see here, I've layered it with this delicate piece from Linear. They complement each other really well. The little sparkle, I think, just kind of gives it a little something. So, but yeah, definitely you can wear this alone as well, for sure. I just am in this like stacking era. Onto shoes. So these are from Stuart Weitzman. I wore these for a very long time, brand new, at the photo shoot, walking all around Fifth Ave and Central Park. And I was okay. Like my feet only really started hurting maybe towards the end, and it wasn't even hurting that badly. It was just more just from like standing a lot. But what I love about these shoes is A, they're definitely a little bit more elegant. I tried on some of like the more popular block heel platform style shoes from Stuart Weitzman, but I don't know. I just felt like they weren't as elegant, and I was looking for something a little bit more elegant and timeless. What I think makes these comfortable more than other like strappy sandals, if you will, in the front. It becomes wider as it goes around the top of your foot, so it doesn't like dig into the skin. That really makes a difference, I feel, and I think that's why I was able to last in these a lot longer. And then I was able to wear them again in the evening all night without any issue. Like I really wasn't uncomfortable at all. So I highly, highly, highly recommend these shoes. It's been a long time since I can find a pair of heels that are comfortable like this, and I finally have that. Here is the last piece, my birthday bag. She is my Kelly 35 in Etoupe, palladium hardware, Retourne style, and Clémence leather. She's from 2018 and in impeccable condition. I think I actually had the 28 size on my wish list, but when I saw this size, I realized that I wanted something that could fit like my iPad, but also maybe a laptop if I needed. And this was also just stunning in terms of its shape. I like how palladium looks. The combination I think is really pretty. That was the other thing that just really drew me to it. She comes with her strap. She also comes with, here it is, okay. She also comes with her clochette and lock. I tend to not put it on the bag because I don't want there to be like marks. So I just put her inside the pocket. It also has a very large like zipper compartment here. And then I got an insert from, I'm gonna have to link it down below because I forget the name, it began with a D. But this is sort of like a satin insert. I found it on Amazon and it has these little pockets so that you can keep your stuff organized. And I heard that the satin is really better than felt because it's smoother on the leather, and so it will leave less dents or marks over time. I really wanted to make sure that I could maintain the shape of the bag, especially since it's a larger bag, and in the Retourne style, which is obviously very relaxed and more casual. I just love that you can just throw this on with any casual outfit and it just elevates everything. It just looks so good, so classic. And the palladium hardware I think is like perfect because again, it's very versatile. If it were gold, I think that it would just serve a different purpose for me. I feel like that's actually a little bit more glamorous, whereas I was looking for something a little bit more just like easygoing and casual. I tried a Birkin. I even had the Jean-Paul Gaultier, the shoulder Birkin, but I realized that I need a strap. I definitely liked that the JPG had a shoulder option, like the handle was longer, and so I thought I would gravitate towards that, and I've tried it and it just wasn't there for me, and so I am selling that one, just FYI. But this one is the one that I ended up with, and I'm very excited to have her. She's a forever piece and just the right size. It's not too big. I actually think a Birkin 35 is bigger than a Kelly 35. For my petite frame, this looks and feels a lot better to carry. That is it. Let me know in the comments which of these were your favorites, or if you have any questions on these pieces, let me know below. If you're interested in more luxury fashion content, styling tips, and detailed reviews, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you get alerts whenever I upload new videos. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bisous!